got some stuff to show you. Okay guys, so I am here with a huge haul with a ton of goodies from Walmart. As you can see, I have a little bit of a variety around me. Walmart is having their huge Black Friday going on all week long. November 25th through December 1st. There are so many items marked down, and we all know that this week is the week where we're going to be shopping and stocking up on home items and gifts and big purchases that maybe we've been holding off on doing. So I'm gonna share with you guys all about the things that I snagged, and I'm so excited because I have so many goodies. I've got home items, I've got apparel, toys, cookware, you name it. Like literally every category has some seriously amazing deals going on. I say all the time, but Walmart is one of my go-to stops for everything, like all of the categories I just mentioned, but even grocery items. I have the Walmart Plus subscription. I just love it. You can even get delivery to your door. They have super fast shipping. You can even do same-day delivery for so many items. And a lot of times as a reader, for my readers out there, a lot of times they have exclusive book editions that are nowhere else. That's just a little tidbit from me. If you're interested in like the really beautiful artwork that's sometimes in books or hardcover editions, whatever it may be. So the 25th through the 1st, there are going to be Black Friday deals all week long, but on Cyber Monday, there will be additional deals added. So on December 2nd, be sure to check back at walmart.com because even more deals will be added on the 2nd. So check that out. Okay, so into my little haul. I'm gonna start with cookware. I feel like that is the section that sometimes I don't buy for myself, but during Black Friday and Cyber Monday week, I will stock up. First up are these beautiful knives, literally and figuratively. They are stunning, but they're also from the Beautiful line, which is Drew Barrymore's line at Walmart. I love their things. We have their air fryer, we have their coffee pot, we have so many of the items from this line. They're all gorgeous and they're all very functional and work really well. We needed a new knife set, so now is the time to pull the trigger, and this set is stunning. It's got the white block and it comes with a cutting board too. So to snag it marked down is like a no-brainer. I also grabbed this mixing bowl set. These are really pretty and again, very functional. I feel like mixing bowls are one of those things that you don't realize you need multiple of them until you go to make something. But these are the stainless steel bowls, and then they have a few different colors, but of course I got the classic tan lids. They come with lids for all of the different shapes. So this set has like a whole little variety. And then it even comes with some additional accessories to use in the kitchen as well. So there are these grater lids, which you can use with this one. That is super handy. I actually didn't have that before, so that's going to be clutch. It also came with measuring cups and spoons, and then a few like little cooking utensils too. So all of that in a package deal, that's amazing. I actually got a second set of kitchen knives as well, but these are more just cooking knives. This is a set by Carote, I want to say is how you pronounce it. I don't know, but they're very stylish, like neutral looking cooking knives. Like look how pretty these are. They have a silicone handle, and then they also have like the protector sleeve here. I actually did not have like just cooking knives. I've typically only had the knife block sets like that. So now I've got a bread knife, great for sourdough, and all of the different little shapes. This 6-piece set is great to snag when it's on a deal too. And then I got some new dishes. Nope, that's not what this is. Then I got some new pots and pans. This is by that same brand, Carote. They have like the most beautiful cookware, and what's really cool about these pots and pans are that the handles are detachable. The handles actually like open up like that, and then you can clip it on, and now you have a pot with a handle. But if you want to store it, you just take it off, or if you want to store leftovers, it comes with a lid and you can just store it like that. I think that is so genius. It also comes with a spoon and a spatula. And what's nice is that because the handles are removable, you are taking up way less space. So you can just stack things however you want to do it. But when you're done with it, just take it off. 3 pots and pans takes up way less room with the removable handles. I think that's genius. I think it's so cool how they have started doing this. Okay, and then the last kitchen item I got is this huge storage container set. So this is like a whole Tupperware pantry organization set. It's 38 pieces and everything. They have all these different sizes. So you could do like cereals or snacks or whatever. We like desperately need pantry organization. So this is going to be so clutch. And then this set also comes with these little chalkboard labels and a white pen too. So you can label everything and it's gonna be super cute and organized in our pantry. All right, let's move into some clothes, shall we? Or some apparel, I should say. So first up, I'm so excited about these. These are some absolutely cool, super chic Dolce Vita boots. These are like an over the knee boot, but just slightly over the knee. They have two different textures to them and I just love them. I think it's so cool how this flat boot trend is coming back. As one of the taller girls in my class, I loved rocking a flat boot like this in high school and college, and now I'm very thrilled that the trend is back. I love doing boots like this with like a skirt or a skirt right now. And these are just like really chic and really beautiful. And they're one of the Black Friday deals at Walmart. So snag these before the price goes back up. As a little bit more casual wear, I also got these slippers. These are super cute with the smiley faces and really comfy. They had a few different colors of them, but the neutral ones were still in stock and just like totally my vibe. So I'm obsessed, super happy I got those. Whew. Okay, also got this pack of chunky boot socks. These are really tall, so if you live in a climate where you want to layer or wear tall socks underneath your tall boots, these would be perfect for you. I used to do that in Ohio all the time, but I also really like warm, cozy socks like this with shorter boots or with sneakers to like scrunch them down. Having these and getting them at a deal price is perfect. I got a couple dresses for the girls. I didn't know this, but did you know Paris Hilton has a kids line at Walmart? Like all of their stuff is so cute. I wanted all of it and I'll probably go back and get a couple more outfits for the girls. But for the sake of this haul, I just grabbed this outfit. That's one of the Black Friday deals. And it has this really cute like holiday print on it. This like kind of flowy, swingy skater dress. And I got that for both of them because I thought that would be really sweet for them to wear around the holidays, obviously at Christmas time or for anything festive that we go do. I also got this cozy lounge set. They have this in a few different colors. I grabbed the beige and I also sized up so that it's a little more slouchy. But it comes with these wide leg lounge pants and then also the pullover. I love stuff like this for drop off in the mornings or soccer games, stuff that's gonna keep me like looking put together but still really comfortable when we're on the go with the family. Speaking of, also grabbed these joggers. These are like cargo joggers. So I love the pocket on the side and oh, they're so lightweight and stretchy. The fabric feels really, really nice. These feel like such good quality too. This Scoop line has really cute stuff at Walmart, but these will be a great just everyday, literally might wear them every day, pant. And then a couple tops that I got as part of the Black Friday deals. This sweater, they had a couple different colors. They had an olive color that I really loved, but I went for this like kind of cognac brown. I also sized up, I think this is an extra large maybe. I went for like an oversized chunky vibe. Although now I'm looking at my outfit and of course I have the exact same color on right now as I'm filming this, but can't help what I like. I love pullover sweaters like this with like the skirt and the tall boot look is like my vibe right now. And this one has some pretty detailing on the sleeves. It's just like a good classic go-to for fall and winter. Like I said, the olive green was like gorgeous. The last clothing item I got is this fun jacket. This is another one they had in a couple colors that I liked, but I went for the black because it's this bomber jacket. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This feels legit like a blanket. Like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good for soccer. I am just like soccer mom all the time. But it's this cozy fleece bomber jacket in a plaid print. They also had a tan that I really liked, but I went for the black. I also sized up in this, so it would be a little bit oversized and it looks like it'll be really nice, but it is so like flowy and legit feels like a blanket. Oh, so glad I got that. Okay, and then the very last thing I have is of course, a Christmas present. Except the boys already saw this in my car, and I told them as soon as I'm done filming this video, they can have it because they are so ready for it. But this is like a Minecraft Lego set. There are a ton of Lego sets on Black Friday deals at Walmart. I was so excited to snag this for the boys because Christian's becoming obsessed with Minecraft a bit right now, and also they really love Legos. So I will definitely be helping them put it together, but you know, what can you do? All right, so that's everything for my Walmart haul. Be sure to check out Walmart.com. Get yourself some of these goodies and so much more this week. Like I said, the Black Friday deals will run the 25th through the 1st, and then check back on Cyber Monday because on the 2nd, even more things will be added. Everything that I showed in today's video will be linked in the description box down below, so you can find everything there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a very, very wonderful Thanksgiving and a safe and happy weekend. See you guys in the next video. Bye.